Sprunkies, Labubus, it's time to get to the other side. Looks like we gotta whip up a bridge. Probably should have made it a little sturdier. Okay, Lady Labubu, wanna have another go? And down they go. Well, back to the drawing board. Maybe third time's the charm. Hurry along, Oren. It's safe.
Phew.
Now that you're here, the games can begin. Try to match the shape on the square. Wow, you two have a real knack for this. You should try ballroom dancing next. This next one's kind of romantic. Something tells me they weren't acting. Line up, everyone. It's time for our next game. It looks like we're having a secret soda game. And now, will our lovely assistant come on down? Everyone needs to line up. It's kind of like musical chairs. But you can never guess who's being eliminated. That is, until it's too late. Sorry, Vinaria. Looks like pink is out. Time for round 2. And no, you can't pick the empty one. We landed on green. So sorry, Labubu. You're out. Okay, the final round. Ratty versus Labubu. What's the final color? Ooh, the mystery color. Mustard? Guess it's your pick, Minnie Boo Boo. But with a last-minute switch. The winner is Ratty. A point for Sprunkies. Someone call Mario. We're plumbing next. Looks like we need to fix up the pipes. Make sure that everything's hooked up. Pinky wants to send someone a message. Looks like they had to return to sender.
Oops.
Now you're tied. Next up, I'd be careful with this challenge. It looks like one wrong move can end the game. Uh-oh, guess there's no loyalty among Sprunkies. Judges? Yeah, this round is going to the Labubus. But let's give these guys a second chance. Duck, Wenda, duck! You got it! Now Labubu's all wet. Looks like you're tied once again. Next up, we've got a matching game. Shouldn't be too hard. There's only 2 options. I see. The Sprunkies are still on archery mode. Ooh, probably shouldn't have gone with straight lines. Wow, the Labubu's got 2 points for that. Still, let's try this again with a more direct approach. Ah, now you're tied again. Guess we'll need another tiebreaker. We're racing up next. But it's a bit of an obstacle course, too. But don't worry, girls. There's a prize waiting for you in a small blue package. Who will get to Sky first? Well, Labubu's going on a trip. Semi-Hemi's got the lead for now, but will it last? Hurry, girls! You don't want to keep Sky waiting! The sign says to look up. Oh, that's for us! And keep an eye out for those falling rocks. Next, Let's hope you girls did your jumping jacks. It's okay. Semi-Hemi's got a backup, but Labubu's in the lead. Too bad she's stuck in a dead end. A ladder will help you climb your way to success.
Yes.
Don't cry, Semi-Hemi. We've got a special mini-game for you. Now you've earned your wings. Fly away! Talk about swooping in at the last second. Quick, we need to save these two from lava.
What?
Seriously, where's all this lava coming from? Warm your finger up with this mini game. Put the blue Labubu back together. This Labubu can do half the work for you. But let's see which one can reach the top first. Sorry, Aqua, but I'm sure you'll find a way to keep cool. Point for Labubus. Next, it's time for another racing game. Careful, it looks like a tight situation's up ahead. Quite a few of them, actually. Uh-oh! Maybe you should all try to go at once? So far, there's only two left standing. Clucker's in the lead.
Wow.
But the game's not over yet. Try to catch the hearts. Did I mention you have to catch them all in one go? Well, maybe you still got enough to pass. Guess not. Okay, Clucker, it's your turn. Remember, you need a strategy. So far, so good. It looks like he's gonna make it. Just a few more hearts and we're almost done. You did it! And it looks like the Sprunki team is today's winner.
Looks like the Sprunkies found their ticket to paradise. This one's going out to all you angels. Uh-oh, Rogue wants to switch things up. Repo World's a real hotspot now. I'm sure they've all got good intentions. Well, it's a nice place to visit, but it looks like you're staying. So let's try out our new Repo Gamebook. You won't get them out that easily. Oh, guess we're starting with a little plumbing. Match the ball to the pipe by color. Just watch what happens next. They'll each become a Sprunki semi-bot. No guess who this one's going to be? Oh, I stand corrected. Nothing happened. Well, there are two ways to make green. The recipe's simple. Mix yellow and blue. Now just add the paint to a roller. And apply a fresh coat of chartreuse. When it comes to the hair, Veneria's proud of her dark roots. As for the flowers, it's time to think pink. Wow, talk about a transformation! Veneria's in really good spirits right now. It looks like this next game is one for the heavyweights. And it looks like we've got our next contestants, orange and green semi-bot. By the looks of it, you need to raise $1,000. Or at least a bunch of stuff worth that much. Let's get looking. Good thing you've got a flashlight. It's a maze down here. Ooh, this watch doesn't look too cheap. What else? A vase. Let's hope it's an antique. Look in that corner. Ooh, you know that phone really is an antique. Ah, diamonds are truly a semi-bot's best friend. Is that the ducky that lays the golden egg? Careful, it's an apex predator. Maybe this will help. Sorry, you might find yourself dribbling. Wow, that's some extra strength lip balm. Easter came early. It's a golden egg. Looks like the price is right. Step on down, Oren. Guess someone's back to the old self. Now here's a classic, a CD-ROM game. Mr. Fun Computer will help us play it. Guess it's bottoms up for the semi-bots. But let's help you become somebody. Next, some arms. And you'll need a good head on your shoulders. Pretty sure the head needs to match with the others. Second time's the charm. On to the next level. Make it through the game and avoid Headman. Good thing you've got more than one life. Probably best to get out from under. You'll be on top. And get ears while we're at it. Things are looking rosy for Pinky. Ooh, some of our Sprunki friends are feeling lonely. But it's nothing Cupid's arrow can't cure. And yellow and pink make light orange? I want to say beige.
Yes.
Next, purple and green. Is that where puce comes from? By process of elimination, even a semi-bot can find love. I don't think those are tears of joy, but it's okay. Matters of the heart can always be fixed with a makeover. Now that's cutting to the heart of the matter. A coat of paint can freshen things up. Now spin the wheel. Who'd we get? Disgust? Let's try again. Labubu? Let's aim for something blue. Third time's the charm. We got Sky. But if you can't handle him at his semi-bot, then I think he's better off on Cloud 9. Yes. Oh no, Derple's missing. Well, we can just make a new one. This doesn't seem right. Let's start over from scratch. Okay, then can you bring in the next guy? Blue? Well, we're getting closer, but we're not there yet. Stay close by. We might need you soon. What we really need is a splash of red. Now, what do you get when you mix red and blue? The French flag. And also purple. That too. Guess it was at full capacity. Well, we'll just have to build you back up. See? It's like Derple's with us once again.
Wow.
Hold on. It was Derple after all, somehow. Either way, spread your wings. You're on your way. Guess who's back? It's Headman, and he's hungry. Looks like royalty. Can money really solve all your problems? Guess not. Hope that crown doesn't go down easy. Never mind. Guess Wendabot's got science on her side.
Aw, yes.
We just need to find the right formula. Hold on. I think everything needs to match. Voila! We just need to move things until everything's lined up. Soon, we'll have wood, nails, and a hammer. We can use this stuff to build a bridge. Besides, Headman always wanted his own hat. Look, Wenda's feeling herself again. And it looks like heaven isn't missing any angels anymore.